Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Lola, and in this video I'm going to be showing you from how I took my skin from looking all dull and pimple-ish to it looking silky, shiny and brighter. So if that's something you're interested in, please kindly stick around, subscribe, like, drop me a comment and all those fun stuff. So yeah, let's hop straight into the video. Enjoy. So we're starting with my morning routine. I'm just showing you my face, the condition of my face. I'm so proud of myself because this is something I really wanted to do this year, and I'm just glad I did it, and I've never been more proud of myself. Basically, I'm just showing you these pimples. I had a pimple like 2 weeks ago, but it's gone. So I go in with my lip balm first, and then go in with Dudu Osun. I currently use Dudu Osun to wash my face in the morning. I just use Dudu Osun, to be very honest, because it's not a bad cleanser and it's quite affordable, so why not? Rinse up the Dudu Osun and then dry my face and go in with my lip balm again because your lips have to look good. I then go in with my toner by Dr. Rashel, and I must say I really love this toner. It's an essence toner. Watch my video if you've not, and make sure to get it everywhere. I then go in with my tomato gel and just smear it around, make sure it reaches every corner, touch up every single way, including your neck. You guys, don't forget your neck, don't forget your eyelids, every single way. I then go in with my lotion. Basically, I use it for my whole body, but I'm just showing you guys what I do on my face. So I use it on my whole body and proceed with my day. I go in with my sunscreen from Skin Aqua, and you guys, this sunscreen does not leave white cast. If you've been watching me, you would know that I've been struggling to get the perfect sunscreen this year, and I think I have, so I'm really excited about that. I mean, look at see the finish, like see what it's giving. It's giving glow, it's giving hydration, it's giving plumpy, juicy skin, and I love to see. So basically, that is my morning routine. I believe in less is more, and so everything concerning my skincare is less, and I mean I got the results, so why not? So for my night routine, I mean, to be honest, it's kind of the same as the morning, just like different products. I first pack my hair because I don't want my hair in my face. I go in with my lip balm again. Juice up your lips. I then go in with this cleanser, which is a mixture of white vinegar and water, and just use it to clean my face, to be very honest. I take my time to make sure I clean every corner, every hiding spot on my face. I tend to do this because I work in construction, I work with real estate, and it could get really dusty, it could get really sunny, just to like cleanse my face. I mean, look at how much dirt was on my face. I then go in again because this cleanser is very mild, so I have to make sure my face is clean, because to me, I feel like a dirty face is what attracts acne and pimple and all that stuff. So look at the difference between the first and the second. You see the dirt. Once my face is sort of clean, I go in with my CeraVe. I use the CeraVe hydrating cleanser. I lather it up on my face. It doesn't really lather, to be honest, because it's hydrating, so it feels more like a cream than a lathering whatever, but I like that it cleanses my face up just once. I rinse out, dry. I go in with the Me Vitamin C serum. I use a toner in the morning and then the Me serum in the night. Basically, vitamin C has helped my journey, helped me brighten up my skin. I go in with the tomato gel again, just because I just love how gels feel on my face. I feel like it adds to the moisture, and it just helps me helps my face look plumpy. I go in with the simple moisturizer, and I like this one because it's thick and it can leave your face hydrated all through the course of the night. It's really wonderful, you guys. Just because I'm extra, I go in with my Nivea body lotion again. I use it on my whole body, to be fair, so I just go through on my face also. And yeah, last but not the least, we have lip balm. Lip balm is one of my favorite things, so I got this whole big ass container. I then tie my hair, and yeah, we're good for the night, good for the night. If you thought that you want to click away because I said we're good for the night, no, that's not it. I'm going to be showing you products I use on a weekly basis also. So over here we have my body scrub. I currently use the Kuu Spa Salt, and I use it once a week, which is every Friday. I just use it. I love how silky, soft, smooth and clean it makes me feel. After a stressful week, I just use it on Friday and feel so good and relaxed. Next thing is this charcoal face mask. So you guys, I love face masks, be it sheet masks or peel off. And to be fair, I don't really like peel off. Basically now I use this face mask by Purity Plus. I use it once a week as well. I use it every Monday. Now the style of the show, you guys, this is one of my favorite products. It is a chemical peel. I use this twice a week. I use it on Wednesday and on Saturdays, and to be fair, I really love it. It was very expensive, so I'd have been pained if it was not so good. I want to believe this has helped me with hyperpigmentation and also helped me brighten up my skin in its own way. I feel like it also helped me with texture, and I just love it so much. There you have it, people. These are the products I use and I love. Like I said, less is more, so I'm enjoying the journey and also trying to rediscover new skincare options I have, and I'm so excited that this year I discovered my skincare, skin whatever journey, and I look forward to doing more. So thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next one. Bye.